All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, so I'm gonna show another way to kind of deal with your opponent's knee shield when you're passing through half guard. So let's imagine a situation here where Chris goes to reach for an underhook. So I'm gonna wizard, meaning overhook with my top side hand. Now, with this right arm, I'm gonna reach for a chin grip, and I'm gonna think about grabbing a front headlock, but diving over the top of my opponent. So it's gonna look like this. Now, once we get into this position, I wanna make sure I keep a chin grip and I keep a grip on his tricep. Now, to secure my Anaconda choke from here, I'm gonna lean upwards, using my leg to hook his arm, diving my arm all the way through, locking up this grip, and now I can keep this arm across and feed his head onto my chest as I start to walk in for my finish. So let's look at it again. We're here, Chris gets the underhook, chin grip, dives over top, using my leg to catch the arm, diving this through, feeding his head onto the top of my chest, walking in. Good.